Good morning, you guys. Welcome to My Future Success. You guys, I just jumped on the charts here right now, and I want to show you guys a little bit of technical analysis I'm looking at with the current setup that we have going on. Now, you guys, if you're doing any of my one-on-one trainings or just using the metrics here and follow me here on YouTube, there's a couple patterns that I like to trade in the market, and that's when we get something that's either called a triple G or a triple R. So what do I mean by that for people that are new to this channel? So triple G's and triple R's. Triple G's mean you have to have your background color be solid green. You have to have a strong bullish Hiekin Ashi candle, and our middle band here has to be green as well. Now, triple R's just in reverse. This is when I want you guys to be looking for everything that is red, red, and red. So in particular, red background, strong bearish Hiekin Ashi candle, and below the red here, that is a great entry to be going short into the market, which both times here end up panning out for great profit. Now let's just take a look at the current price action of what's happening right now here on the ES at about 7:43 a.m. this morning. Now, you guys, just a little shout out to my wife. Actually, it is actually my 10-year anniversary today. And I'll let you guys know next week, I'm basically packed with trainings. I have 13 trainings already booked for next week. And the week after that, my wife and I are actually taking a week off and going down to Pismo Beach and having a really good time with my daughter and us too. So I'm probably not going to be on here on YouTube as often. I'll be doing some personal trading myself down by the coast on the beach, but just so you guys are aware of that coming up here. But I'll keep you posted this next week on when that time gets a bit sooner or a bit nearer. But let's take a look at the charts right now. Let's see if I can give you guys some good education this morning and something you guys can follow with these metrics as well to be able to be a bit more successful in the market. So overall, you guys can tell price action. Where are we right now? Price action is below this 50 EMA. So what are we looking for? Well, if we're below this 50 EMA, I want to be looking to go short in the market. None of our metrics have actually panned out to be looking to go long in the market, since overall this red background here has stayed solid red and we haven't actually switched over just yet. Now, if we end up switching over, we get a strong bullish candle and all of our metrics switch, that could be a potential entry for me into the market. But right now, I just want to do nothing at this point. If we end up getting a candle like this may actually end up panning out here for you guys right now as a what? Can you guys spot it? This is the triple R's. Background red, 50, and solid down here. You guys take a look. Money momentum is shifting below this 50 band, and our middle dashboard here is solid red. This is where if we can have these candles play out into the market, this is where we want to enter in positions. Now, I don't take any buy or sell signals. This is a question I got the other day. Justin, do you take any buy or sell signals that are on doji candles? And the answer is no. So I will only enter into the market either when we have our triple metrics set up, or I have a buy or sell signal that has a strong bullish or bearish candle. You guys take a look at this. Sell signal, was this a strong bearish candle? Yes. Did it win? Absolutely. Strong bearish candle? Yes, it ended up winning. Was this a all metrics in line? Yeah, but this was a doji candle. Just stay away from it. It's okay. I don't want to be entering in on any indecision into the market, and that's what I'm trying to teach you guys as well. You guys take a look. This actually might be reversing on us right here. So just because market and price action was below this 50, sometimes in your mind you're like, I just want to go short, I want to go short. Well, if we don't have all those metrics in line, just be patient and wait. This is actually now switching the other direction. So let's change our thought process with it. If this candle ends up closing here in about 30 seconds or so, if it does, this is the fun thing about doing this live with you guys, is I have no idea what's actually coming in the market after this. So I'm literally narrating with you guys and trying to give you as best education on trades before I enter anything over here so you guys can see exactly what I'm looking at in the market. So you guys can do this yourself, hopefully every single day. Let's go and do this real quick. If you guys are new to this channel, if you guys either just head over to My Future Success or click the link in the description, this will actually give you access and lifetime access to all the metrics here. This is just $99. And then you also get 50% off all the training. So the 13 trainings that I have scheduled up for next week, everyone end up getting 50% off here. While you're over there, take a look at some 5-star ratings from people that have already purchased this just in really recent, last 2 days here, last 2 days, and then throughout the last couple months too. A lot of people just having a lot of success. See if any of their success stories actually relate to yourself in trading. I have people that are literally just starting off with futures market, trading with literally $200 in their account, or I have some people that are trading with $200,000 in their account. And it's really cool to meet a lot of individuals because everyone's different. Guys, when I first started doing this, I started with a couple $100. I then worked my way up to my personal accounts, having $10,000 in a personal account, trading with 8 lots. Then I end up having my child, and then I end up doing some prop firm accounts. I'm currently able to take profit on where I'm doing my prop firm challenges right now. Have one currently approved and working on 4 others to get funded. Hopefully here, I was hoping to get it done this week, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to get it this week. I'm just doing really good risk management. So in case if it has to spill over into next week, that's okay, but I'll keep you guys posted on how all that's going. Right now though, you guys take a look. Does this hit our metrics? Think about it, just got right here. Triple R's, let's enter in. This is it. Let's enter into the market right now. Take a look, red, red, red. Red background, red 50, and solid red doji candle. Let's enter in on this, which I just did over here. Market has been a 55950. This is great. You guys take a look already. This is gonna be $1,000 in the market right here, trading with 8 lots. This is my profit target that I like to shoot for on each trade. Let's see if we can draw this down and get this flush. This is an awesome trade, you guys. Hitting all of our metrics. Where's our level of support? Right here. If we drop down into this area, this is where I'm looking to get out. All right, guys, good risk management. $1,300, $1,400, $1,500, $1,700, $1,800 right here. $1,800 played out into the market just like that for you guys, following all these metrics in line. What an amazing trade. Gosh, look at this market selling off right now. Triple reds, another big strong candle here. Everything in line. Red, 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 enter in, next candle flushing all the way down. $1,800 profit here trading with these 8 lots. Literally from candle entry, probably less than 15 to 20 seconds on that trade. This is exactly how I want you guys trading the market. If price action is below this, don't fight against it and don't think you can outsmart the market if it's saying doji candles of indecision. Wait for a confirmation, enter in, and just capitalize on that dump. Gosh, that was so much fun. This is fun being able to leave and on an anniversary day right now with a trade just like this to show you guys into the market. This is so exciting. Again, if you guys haven't done so already, please make the investment into yourself. Follow me here, send me emails, send comments below on this video. Say, Justin, I want to learn more about this, and I will teach you guys exactly what I'm doing in the market to pull out trades and spot entries just like this based on our dashboard metrics and everything that you can have. You guys take a look at this. This is literally one click to transform all of your charts in 1 second into the ultimate trading platform to give you the best entries and exits into the market. Guys, I'm so excited to be doing this here with you guys live and showing you examples just like this. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Have an amazing weekend. Take care.